morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I pack for vacation. It is Saturday. We leave probably in a couple hours. I don't know. I have not packed. I'm currently sitting on my bed with tons of clothes. My room's a mess. My life's a mess. I worked really late last night and I've kind of been just working all week, so I haven't really had time to like sit down and pack. So I'm gonna get it done probably in an hour this morning. This is not gonna be like a tutorial video. It's more just like follow along with me, pack with me. If you're getting ready for vacation, watch this video, you know. Just to show the state of the room, this is what it looks like at the moment. Not ideal, but I'm gonna kind of pick it up and then also figure out like what I need to take and all that. Yeah, my hair's a mess, my life's a mess. Let's get started. Step one for me is always to make sure my electronics are plugged in. So I'm currently charging my computer. My phone's been charged. I need to run out to my car and grab my AirPods to charge those. And my camera batteries are charged. So all of that's charged. I took care of that last night, but if you haven't done that, start that before you pack so that at least something's going in the background. I've already done all my laundry, so that's checked. I'm going to first start by making a quick, super quick, not like everything I need. No, super quick list, like clothes, what kind of clothes we need, swimsuits we need, workout clothes we need, like casual clothes. I do like to make a list of what electronics to bring just so that I make sure I have all of them. And especially I'm bringing like this camera and other like my hard drive and stuff to edit on the way down, so stuff like that to make sure I have all that, but we'll get going. As you can see, these are just kind of like my main categories to make sure I have everything in. So clothes, jewelry, shoes, toiletries, makeup, electronics. I just have the main categories: swimsuits, workout clothes. I'm thinking 2 to 3 casual, cute outfits, and 1 like fully cute, nice dinner outfit. Toiletries, stuff I need to remember to bring. Makeup, I know what I need to bring. And then electronics, all the ones I need to do. As you can see, I wrote charger next to all of them because cannot forget the chargers. The thing I hate doing the most is clothes packing, so once that's done I feel so much better, so I'm gonna get going on that. What I like to do is set a timer. If I have like 2 hours to do it, it's gonna take me forever, so just set like 30 minutes to 45 minutes to do it. I'm just gonna do 30. It's just the beach. We're not flying there, so it's like fit in my suitcase, whatever. So this is all my laundry. I was gonna put it away and then I realized I'm probably gonna bring most of it. So here is what I have so far. I just threw like things I thought of right at the top of my head. I'm just kind of gonna throw the things I think I need on my bed and then we'll organize from there. Everyone, we are headed to, oh my god, that's Zach Levitt. That's that YouTuber guy. We are headed to the vet to drop off Teddy back there. If you can see him, he's a little stressed. He doesn't like driving the car. A little detour off the packing vlog, but you know, it's all good. Real life. All right everyone, so I just got back from dropping off my dog at the vet. Here's what I've done so far. I've got all my shoes. I'm wearing a pair right now. I just wore them to pick them up, but this is all my clothes that I'm packing. I'm officially finished that. It took me probably about 10-15 minutes, really not that long. What I've got is like this easy dress, I've got sweatshirts, all of my like essentials, and then I have these are like my cute casual outfits if we go like shopping or something like that, to lunch. Nothing too crazy, but I just have the outfits planned, but it's all black and white so it can all go together. And then I have an outfit for dinner if it's nice, and then all my t-shirts, probably brought like 4 or 5. They could be a cover up, they could be for PJs, they could be lounging around, and then I have tank tops for working out, my tennis skirt, a couple pairs of Norts. My swimsuits are back here, they're there. So yeah, I got everything I need. Now I think I'm going to head over and pack my jewelry, my toiletries, and my makeup. The first thing I'm doing is packing my makeup, and to do that, I just use this Scout bag that I've had forever. This is the Packing Heat one, and it's just like a bag. And then I use the Scout 3-way bag, which is good for holding my toothbrush, deodorant, stuff like that. Holds a lot and has 3 pockets. As you can see, it kind of looks like that. Recently, I've been using this bag because it folds out and you can like hang it on the door. Got this from my FabFitFun box, so thank you to FabFitFun for sending me that. I'm just going to pack all these up with my stuff and I'll be ready.
Nearly every makeup item I have in this little acrylic organizer is my everyday, not my everyday, but stuff I use. So I pack all that. It takes about a minute to throw it all in here. And now I'm gonna pack like my moisturizers, deodorant, toothbrush, stuff like that in my Scalp 3-way bag. Holds a ton. Highly recommend. So this is everything that I'm going to try and fit in there. We will see. We're just gonna use our space wisely. I have my makeup, my toiletries, straightener, like self tanner, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all that, because we are staying there for a week. I have like toothbrush, all this stuff in here. I keep my jewelry right up top, and then I'm just gonna zip this up, and then I have all my clothes. I'm gonna see if I can fit my shoes. I doubt it, so that's probably gonna have to be a separate bag, but we're driving, so it's really fine. This is my favorite part though, because then it's like all this is done. I feel a lot better. So here's the situation. I think all of this stuff is just gonna have to go either in my backpack or in a different bag, but this is what my luggage looks like. Don't mind my lovely bras up on top. I just don't want them to like get squished at the bottom, so at least they'll be squished on the top, but hopefully this will zip. It's kind of pushing it because I put all my swimsuits here and like extra sports bras here. Alright, she's zipped. Lovely. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I think I might use my tote bag here and put some more stuff in. I also always pack my electronics in my backpack. I do that just because I like to have my backpack with me in the car. So I'm gonna put my laptop, hard drive, camera, all my chargers, stuff like that. So in here I have my makeup bag right on top, just for easy access. I keep this bag right near me when I travel. Got my self tanner in a baggie, my Eno, I always bring my Eno to the beach, my hat, and down there are 2 books that I'm bringing. Put my sunglasses on the side, and in here I just have all my electronic stuff, and I just keep them in this little pouch, which I actually received for graduation from one of my friends as like a little game day bag. I just like having this so you can see what's inside. As you can see, I just have my camera batteries, my SD card converter, my AirPods, my hard drive, all that kind of techie stuff. I had to resort to a 3rd bag because I didn't have space for all my shoes, but in here I just have my running shoes. I'm wearing my Nikes, which are just kind of like my casual shoes that I'm wearing for the week. My little Steve Madden shoes, my rainbows are in here, as well as my other toiletry bag. Sorry if it's loud in here with the air. It is so hot out today. It is 106 in this car right now, and like we do not live in Florida, so I don't get why it's so freaking hot. I'm running to Target to get a couple things for my mom, but also I'm going to look at swimsuits super quick. I only really have one swimsuit that like fits me and like looks okay. Everything else is kind of like a little scandy. Like this is a family vacation. There's a time and a place. Probably not here. So I'm just gonna see if they have anything better, preferably one piece, because I love not having to apply sunscreen on my stomach and most of my back. That's ideal. I'm gonna pop over to Nordstrom if I have some time, just to see if they have the key sunglasses in stock, because I'm gonna get those. I'm just gonna see what I can get in the next like 30 minutes. Well, okay, so I tried on a lot of swimsuits, and I was so sweaty that by the time I got to the last 2, I couldn't be bothered. So I just bought 4. I'm probably gonna return either 2 or 3. I got all one pieces. This is what one looks like. It's very simple.
You say, that's all you do. And I don't know how you could hate on a player, ever hate on me. I'm kinda dope, a little ADD, but I've been making hella banging since.
So this is what they look like on, and I don't think that they look bad. I just don't love how you can see my eyes in them. And she was very adamant. She's like, these are polarized, the other ones aren't, and like these are classic and those are trendy. I was like, well, okay. But I was like, I like the other ones, which is what I came in there for. But the other ones, I don't know the name of them, but they were kind of like this, but they had gold, and I thought they looked a lot more expensive and just classic as well. I don't know why she didn't think those were classic. I also don't like how this is flat up here. I just don't love these, so I'm not gonna bring them to the beach with me like I was planning to. And I think, oh.
Can we get in the car now? Does everybody have deodorant on?
All right, everyone, we're officially in the car. We're heading to the Outer Banks. We made it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.